Here's an example of how we calculate the median in the inner quartile range. I'd like you to stop the video and try it on your own first. Step number 1 was rearrange the numbers from lowest to highest. So 25 is the lowest number. Then it looks like we have no other 20s. We have a 30. We have a 33. We have two 39s. We have a 40. We have a 53, a 67, a 94, and a 130. Oh, and I forgot the 69. Let me go back here. So we had a 69, a 94, and a 130. All right, this is why you want to cross it out, just to make sure that you're actually getting all the numbers. Okay, so we have 6, 9, it looks like 11 values over here. So we know the location formula is 11 plus 1 divided by 2, which is 12 over 2, or the 6th value. So if we're counting, we can count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, our 6th value. And just to confirm this on the other side, we would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6th value. So 5 crossed out. Whether we use the location formula or we simply start crossing out from the outside to the inside, doesn't matter. So our median over here is 40. It's the midpoint. And remember, we said we are going to simply exclude that value in our calculation for Q1 and Q3. This is how our calculator does it as well. So this is the way you're going to do it, like on an exam. We're going to simply look for the midpoint again, or we can cross out. So we have 5 values on the left, 5 values on the right. So we could do 5 plus 1 divided by 2, which is 6 over 2, or the 3rd value from the lower end. Or we could simply cross out from the bottom and the top until we end up with just one value in the middle. So keep in mind when you're finding the median, or when you're finding Q1 and Q3, if you have an even number, you always have to average the 2 middle values. So we have Q1 is 33. We have Q3 equals 69. And with that, we have an IQR of 69 minus 33, which is 36. Again, just like the range, the IQR is a single value. It just tells you that's the range of the middle 50%. So our range of the middle 50% is 36.